We recently bought the Blackstone Grill, and I'm so excited to get it set up and use it for the first time. Hi, I'm Randy, and this is my YouTube channel, Randy's Adventures. I am so thrilled you're here. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button below so we can adventure together. This weekend, we are camping in Stockholm, Wisconsin, and this is our campsite for the weekend. We bought the Blackstone Grill, and I'll share this with you in a minute. And we also bought the Blackstone Grill Table. And then we've got the hose to connect to the little guy Max. We're gonna get this all set up, and we're gonna use our Blackstone Grill for the first time. All right, we're gonna open the Blackstone Grill Table. And this is the side table, and it just fits in the screws, and you just slide it down. And this is how you extend the legs. We had previously opened the Blackstone Grill, and we had ordered the package that came with the cover and the case to carry it in. Well, this is the cover. Here are all the instructions. This is a cast iron grill, and you do need to season it. This is what the bottom of the grill looks like. These foot pegs came with the grill, and you just screw them in. Now we've got all 4 pegs screwed in. Because you've got the rubbered feet, the grill itself can sit on a picnic table or any other hard surface, and you don't actually need to have the Blackstone table that we purchased. And here is the griddle that we'll put on top of the base, and there you go. Voila! We're all set up. The grill's pegs just fit right into the grill table like so, and pops right on. We've got the Blackstone Grill on top of the Blackstone table. The grill came with this regulator. So you just need a propane little tank like this, and you connect it directly to the regulator it came with. We attach the propane tank to the grill itself. And you just turn the knob, and you've got a flame. This is the hose that we use to hook the little guy Max to the grill, and I will have a link to this in the video description below. This end of the 8-foot hose gets connected to the grill right there by just screwing it in and tightening it. And then the other end of the hose gets connected down here, which connects to our propane tank on our little guy Max. Now we're all hooked up with the grill to our little guy Max propane tank. It's nice to have both options. We can either connect the Blackstone Grill to our RV and therefore use the propane from the RV, or we can either use it on a picnic table and use a small portable propane tank. Now that we've got it all set up, I'm really excited to get cooking for the first time on our Blackstone Grill. When I was in high school, I had a job as a waitress, and at the restaurant I worked at, they made the best patty melts. Since then, patty melts have always been a favorite of mine. It's a burger, but it's no ordinary burger. So today, I'm really excited to try to make a patty melt for the first time on the Blackstone Grill. Do you like patty melts, Princey? Let's first start by chopping an onion. I've got my onions chopped, and I've got 2 burgers, and I'm gonna add some sea salt for a light seasoning. Let's turn on the grill and get these patty melts going. Some oil to the grill. I think the onions are done. Next up, let's put these patties on the grill. I've made these oblong because I'm gonna be using sourdough bread. I've got baby Swiss and provolone cheese. Of provolone cheeses of baby Swiss cheese. Sourdough bread to the griddle to toast. And this is my secret sauce. I'm using Drew's Thousand Island dressing. That's toasted nicely. It's assembly time. And top it on our toasted. A drizzle of Thousand Island dressing. Last but not least, let's top sourdough bread. Let's cut into this. Oh yeah, nice and messy, just like it should be. And I already took a bite out of it, and it was scrumptious. Look, it's gonna be another glorious day. There's our trailer over there. This morning, I'm gonna make scrambled eggs and bacon. First up, I'm gonna scramble the eggs. Okay, the eggs are scrambled. I'm going to use some of the cheese that we had left over from last night from our patty melt. So we're going to have some cheesy eggs, cheesy scrambled eggs. This will be my first breakfast on the Blackstone Grill. Bye! Yeehaw! Look how fun that is. The first time I made these pizza quesadillas was over an open fire, and they turned out so good. So you can have pizza while you're camping. Pizza quesadillas with these 4 ingredients. And of course, you can add or use any ingredients that you want. I chose to keep it simple. This is gonna be super easy to make. First of all, you take a tortilla. We'll have a top and a bottom, and we'll put our marinara sauce on first. And we'll spread it around. Next, I'm gonna put on some Canadian bacon. Okay, Canadian bacon has been added. Okay, it's time to put the cheese on the pizza quesadillas. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but of course, you can use any kind of cheese that you want. And last but not least, we're gonna take our top tortilla and place it on top. I already have the Blackstone grill going on a low heat, so we just wanna brown the tortillas, and we wanna melt the cheese. Princess loves cheese, so look at one of her tricks. Princey, sit. Nope, sit. Sit. Good girl, sit. Okay, Princey, dance. Dance, Princey. Okay, dance. Good girl, you get the cheese. Looks like the bottom is brown, so I'm just gonna flip it. Or I'm gonna try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Not too bad. It's smelling really good. Oh yeah, that looks brown. So it's ready to be taken off. So easy, and look at how yummy that looks. But the true test is, how does it taste? This is such an amazing view. The Mississippi River, and right across the Mississippi River over there is Minnesota, and we're standing in Wisconsin. Tonight it's all about a ribeye steak and potatoes and onions. First, I'm gonna chop an onion. Those onions brought tears to my eyes. Now it's time to chop the potatoes. But here's the question. Do I slice them or do I dice them into little cubes? The grill has been heating up, so I just added the potatoes. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit before I add the onions. I just received a tip from Patrick from Travels with Delaney. He said to spray water on the potatoes to make them steam. So let's try it. The potatoes have been cooking for a little bit now, so I'm gonna add onions. I think these potatoes and onions are done. It's time to put the steaks on the grill. The steak is now done. So we've got steak and crispy potatoes. Yum!